Hey guys, Bobby from the All-in-One Profits Rotator Club. I just want to make a quick video showing you how to put a watermark on your videos in YouTube. Okay, it's very simple. You'll see it here on my video. Okay, this actually pops up. After the video starts, you can set it to how long you want it to pop up on the video. It pops up and then people hover over it. It prompts them to subscribe to your channel. Okay, let me show you how to do that real quick. It's very easy. You go up here to your little icon. Click Create a Studio, once you're logged in. Then you go to Channel, and you see it here, Branding. Click Branding, and there it is. Okay, I'll remove it, and I'll show you how to add it. Okay, see here it says Add a Watermark. That's where it's going to bring you. When you click Branding, it's going to bring you right here. So you press Add a Watermark. Choose File. It's got to be PNG, guys. Okay, here it is. Download it. Press Save. And there it is. Just press Save. Okay, right here you can customize the start time. It's set for 5 seconds, which is fine, I guess. But I'm going to put it to 15 because I'm a tinkerer, I guess, my wife would say. I can't leave well enough alone. But that's it, guys. That's how you put a watermark on your video. Hopefully you'll get some more subscribers, stuff like that. All right, that's it for now, guys. Thank you.